Tissues. Chapter 5. Tissue. Definition: an aggregation of cells in which each cooperates with all others in the performance of a given function. Examples of general functions: movement, protection, support, production of chemicals. Principal tissue types: epithelial, connective, muscular, nervous. Human Anatomy, 3rd edition. Epithelial tissue. Functions: coverings and linings. Forms glands. Characteristics: closely packed cells. Continuous sheets. Basement membrane. Avascular. Classification: simple, stratified. Human Anatomy, 3rd edition. Prentice Hall, copyright 2001, Epithelium of coverings and linings. Squamous epithelium. Simple squamous epithelium. Highly adapted to diffusion, osmosis, and filtration. www.stegan.k12.mo.us/.tissue-slides.htm. Squamous epithelium. Stratified squamous epithelium. Surface layer is flat. Function: protection. www.stegan.k12.mo.us/tissue-slides.htm. Cuboidal epithelium. Simple cuboidal epithelium. Function: secretion and absorption. Lines glands and their ducts. Stratified cuboidal epithelium. Surface layer cube-shaped. Function: protection. www.stegan.k12.mo.us/tissue-slides.htm. Glandular epithelium. Gland, one or more cells. Function: secretion. Types: exocrine, to surface or ducts. Endocrine, to blood. Transitional epithelium. Can be stretched. Lines hollow structures that expand. Function: prevents rupture of organ. http://www.mhi.com/bio//histology_mh/stratipi.html. Columnar Epithelia. Simple columnar epithelium. Functions: protection, absorption or secretion. Stratified columnar epithelium. More than one layer. Function: protection. www.stegan.k12.mo.us/tissue-slides.htm. Pseudostratified columnar epithelium. Appear stratified but all cells connect to the basement membrane. Functions: protection, secretion. http://bio-web.ulax.edu/zooLab1b/pseudostratified_model_1/pseudostratified_model_1.htm. Connective tissue. Most abundant tissue functions are varied. Characteristics: specialized cells, widely scattered. Rich blood supply. Much matrix. Extracellular fibers. Ground substance. Cell types found in connective tissue. Fibroblasts. Secrete the molecules that form the matrix. Fixed cells. Fibrocytes. Macrophages. Big eaters. May be fixed or wandering. Connective tissue fibers. Collagen fibers. Most common type. White. Strong, rope-like. Form ligaments, tendons. Reticular fibers. Thin. Woven into rough, flexible network. Elastic fibers. Yellow. Stretch. Contain elastin, ground substance extracellular fluid in connective tissue water. Glycoproteins. Types of connective tissue. Loose, areolar, connective tissue. Fibers not abundant. Contains all three types of fibers. Examples of locations. Between skin and muscles. Around digestive tract. Around blood vessels. Human Anatomy, 3rd edition. Prentice Hall, copyright 2001. Human Anatomy, 3rd edition. Adipose tissue. Most of the volume is adipocytes. Provides padding, slows heat loss, food reserve. Locations. Wherever there is loose connective tissue. Human Anatomy, 3rd edition. Prentice Hall, copyright 2001. Dense connective tissue. Types. Dense regular connective tissue. Dense irregular connective tissue. Elastic connective tissue. Dense regular connective tissue. Lots of collagen fibers in bundles. Cells, fibroblasts in rows between bundles. Examples. Tendons, ligaments. Human Anatomy, 3rd edition. Prentice Hall, copyright 2001. Dense irregular connective tissue. Tensions in various directions. Occurs in sheets. Locations. Periosteum. Perichondrium. Fibrous capsules of some organs. Fasciae. Dermis. Human Anatomy, 3rd edition. Prentice Hall, copyright 2001. Human Anatomy, 3rd edition. Elastic tissue. Lots of elastic fibers. Fibroblasts in spaces between fibers. Provides stretch and strength. Human Anatomy, 3rd edition. Prentice Hall, copyright 2001. Cartilage. Dense network of collagenous fibers and elastic fibers in a gel-like substance. Cells, chondrocytes in lacunae. Chondroblasts. Perichondrium, surrounds surface of cartilage. Types of cartilage. Hyaline cartilage. Fibrocartilage. Elastic cartilage. Human Anatomy, 3rd edition. Hyaline cartilage. Most common. Provides flexibility and support. Locations. Ends of bones. Trachea. Larynx. Embryonic skeleton. Human Anatomy, 3rd edition. Prentice Hall, copyright 2001. Human Anatomy, 3rd edition. Fibrocartilage. Visible collagenous fibers with scattered chondrocytes. Provides strength and rigidity. Locations. Intervertebral discs. Symphysis pubis. Human Anatomy, 3rd edition. Prentice Hall, copyright 2001. Human Anatomy, 3rd edition. Elastic cartilage. Thread-like network of elastic fibers with chondrocytes. Provides strength and maintains shape. Locations. Pinna. Eustachian tube. Human Anatomy, 3rd edition. Prentice Hall, copyright 2001. Human Anatomy, 3rd edition. Bone. Solid matrix. Cells. Osteocytes in lacunae. Osteoblasts. Osteoclasts. Periosteum surrounds surface of bone. Human Anatomy, 3rd edition. Prentice Hall, copyright 2001. Human Anatomy, 3rd edition. Blood. Functions. Transport medium. Regulation. Protection. Composition. Plasma, fluid. Formed elements, cells and cell fragments. Erythrocyte. Leukocyte. Thrombocyte. Human Anatomy, 3rd edition. Prentice Hall, copyright 2001. Human Anatomy, 3rd edition. A red blood cell. FG20_02D.jpg. Title, Anatomy of red blood cells. Notes, a standard red blood smear. B-Willows formation as red blood cells travel through a capillary. See SEM of red blood cells, 3-dimensional structure. Dissectional view of red blood cell. Keywords, red blood cell, rouleaus, capillary, sectional view. Human Anatomy, 3rd edition. Prentice Hall, copyright 2001. Human Anatomy, 3rd edition. SEM of RBCS. SEMF 20_02C.jpg. Title, Anatomy of red blood cells. Notes, a standard red blood smear. B-Willows formation as red blood cells travel through a capillary. See SEM of red blood cells, 3-dimensional structure. Dissectional view of red blood cell. Keywords, red blood cell, rouleaus, capillary, sectional view. Human Anatomy, 3rd edition. Prentice Hall, copyright 2001. Muscular tissue specialized cells function, contraction 3 types. Skeletal muscle. Cardiac muscle. Smooth muscle. Human Anatomy, 3rd edition. Skeletal muscle. Connected to bones. Striated. Multinucleated. Voluntary. Human Anatomy, 3rd edition. Prentice Hall, copyright 2001. Human Anatomy, 3rd edition. Cardiac muscle. Found in the heart. Striations. Intercalated discs. Involuntary. Human Anatomy, 3rd edition. Prentice Hall, copyright 2001. Human Anatomy, 3rd edition. Smooth muscle. Found in walls of internal organs. Non-striated. Involuntary. Human Anatomy, 3rd edition. Prentice Hall, copyright 2001.